Hi everyone, it's Gabby. Welcome to my channel. Today it is going to be my I think it is the fifth update for my Project Polish 2020. I'm currently panning 4 colored nail polishes plus some base coats, top coats, nail care, that kind of stuff. So I've got everything in this little box. And this is the color palette I was working with this last month. There you go. So I had one brown purpley shade, one pink, one green shade, and one gray shade that I brought in last time. So let's just start as usual from the nail care section. And first, I have my top coat that I'm now using. I actually used it today, but there is no change, of course, because I just used it once. And yeah, I'm just using, honestly, mainly I've been using this one as a top coat. This is my nail art polish. And I've been basically using this one as a top coat, full stop. So this one did not have the chance to get used, not that I used it in the previous months anyway, but that is a whole other story. But anyway, since I have this one out, I do have some progress and I decided to mark this one. I can roll this one out anytime because I'm not technically panning the nail art polish. But this one was getting a lot of views, so I kind of wanted to track that in order to get a little more motivation. And yeah, I don't know how well you're going to see this, but I was at the green line last time, and I'm now at the gray line. That is a bit of progress. I mean, I've been using, as I said, this one as basically the top coat for every manicure I've done, except for this one I'm wearing today. So yeah, I just need one coat, of course, so it's not a huge amount of progress, but I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, that was the nail art. Then I have my base coat that I'm using without fail every time I do my nails, but this time it kind of doesn't show progress. Magic there. I mean, there is a little bit of progress, but it's really difficult to mark, so I did not do that. But yeah, not super happy about that. I don't know what happened with this one. Probably since it is getting lower, I'm picking up less product when I while doing my nails, so I'm maybe applying a little bit less. I don't know, but yeah, I like this thing, so keep using it. It's fine. I think this one will be out by the end of the year, so that is nice. Then the last nail care product is my oil. This is a growth enhancer kind of treatment, and finally I have a new marking on this one. So I was at the again brown line when I started this project, and I'm now at the gray line that you cannot really see, but you can see that the product is lower, so that is nice. I'm not using this super frequently, gotta be honest. I can be better with this one, but I'm keeping this one near the sofa, so sometimes while watching TV I do remember to apply this one, and yeah, it's okay. Nothing special, but it's okay. So moving on to my colored nail polishes. I have 4, as I said before, and I will just go through them starting from the one that I used the least to the one that I used the most. So first I have the nail polish that I'm wearing today. This is this one. It's a green polish by Kiko. It's the 296 polish, and this is where it was last time, the pink line, and it is slightly below that, but it was not markable really, and I used this just once, so I don't expect to have a lot of progress on this one, but it's okay. It was not my main focus for this month, but I was making a point to kind of use at least once all the polishes. I did have a focus polish, and I adopted a technique that I saw from Sophie Alexandra, I think it was. And basically what she did was she had a focus polish and would apply that every other manicure and use the others in between. And it has been working fine because it kind of gets a bit of change in the nail polish you're wearing, but still you are focusing on one specific, so that was nice. But moving on, I have my gray nail polish that I used once again, just once, and this one is pretty thick, so it does show a little bit of progress, not a ton, but it was just one use, so it's normal, I think. So this one was, the pink line was where I was last time when I rolled this one in, and the green line is where I am today. This one I used with this nail polish on top, and it made a beautiful lilac shade. Loved it, really loved it. I mean, I'm not a fan of this color, so that way it really works. I'm so happy I tried that because it really works. I loved it. Moving on, I have my brownish purpley shade that is Magic. I used this one twice, one time on my hands and one time on my feet, and as usual you can all see progress on this one because I marked it here at the first update and was way off. The marking was way off, but yeah, this one I used twice, and now finally I'm sure I am to the brown line, so I hope that from next update we will have finally some progress to see. I don't know, let's hope that will happen finally. And then my focus polish for this month was this pink one by Debbie. It is in 124, and I already knew I could not finish this one because there was a bit of it, but I was at the green line, and I was at the green line, and now I am at the gray line. I know it doesn't look like a lot of progress, but I had to put thinner in this one twice, so that is kind of why. But yeah, I have been using this every other time, as I said before, so it was about, I would say, like 5 to 6 times this month, so it is a good amount of usage in my opinion, but still it doesn't look like a lot because I put thinner in it twice. But it was getting really clumpy, so I could not use it otherwise. And yeah, there's that. I mean, the remaining part of the bottle does get a little thinner, slightly thinner, but it is the U-shaped kind, the part of the bottle. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. So let's just talk goals. So this one I want to finish for next month. I think it is doable. I'm not putting thinner in this one anymore because there will be more thinner than nail polish in this one and that doesn't make sense. So I want to finish this one and then move on and focus on this one. These two are the nail polishes that have been in here since the beginning of the year, so it is time for them to go. Really, it is really time. So this one I want to finish, and this one hopefully I can get some progress on, and anything that comes other than that is more than welcome. I think I will do the one at a time technique this month as well, but we will see how it will go. So that was all for this update. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel so that we can keep in touch, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.